Welcome to Uniguru, your trusted immigration partner. Are you planning to study in Australia in 2025? Visa rejections for Indian students are rising sharply, and understanding the reasons behind it could save your application. As of 2024, Australia increased the required minimum living expense proof to $29,710 Australian dollars, not including tuition fees. Many applications are being rejected due to poorly written or generic Genuine Temporary Entrant (GTE) statements. Selecting a course that doesn't align with your previous education or work experience is a major reason for refusal. Immigration officers closely assess whether you have strong ties to India, such as property ownership, family connections, or job opportunities. IELTS scores below 6.0 or gaps in education and work history without proper explanation significantly lower your chances. Applying to low-ranking colleges or vocational institutions with poor visa success rates can lead to instant rejection. Submitting incomplete or suspicious financial documents, like sudden cash deposits, often triggers visa refusals. To improve your chances, choose a reputable institution, ensure your course matches your background, and write a personalized GTE. Always submit clear and verifiable financial documents and double-check your application for errors. With proper planning and transparency, studying in Australia in 2025 is still achievable.